function f of x undergoes a single transformation to create function g of x. The graphs of both f of x and g of x are shown. Create g of x in terms of f of x. So if we look at the graph, we have f of x here, it's our black graph. This is called a parabola, it's a quadratic function. And then g of x is our blue graph. Now, to get from f of x to g of x, all we did was take f of x and it looks like we moved it up. So if we want to create an equation for g of x in terms of f of x, that means you're going to start with f of x. So that should be the very first thing you write after your equal sign. So g of x, the blue graph, is equal to the black graph, and then we need to figure out what we do. So to get to the black, from the black parabola to the blue one, we move up. So we're going to add. And then here you need to look at this special point. This is called the vertex, which we will learn about. You're going to look at the vertex of each parabola. Here's the black parabola vertex. Here's the blue parabola vertex. And you need to figure out how many units did we move the vertex up. And then you'll put that number here where this pink box is. And that's how you would create g of x in terms of f of x.